Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to contact Amazon customer service over the phone. Open your web browser and go to the Amazon web page. Log into your account if necessary. Scroll down the page and click on Help. Select Need More Help from the left side menu. Click on Contact Us. Select the reason under the Tell Us More block. You will get a suggestion with a Resolve option or an option to contact Amazon Help. Click on Phone. Enter your phone number and click on Call Me Now. Amazon Help will call you. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!